Hello, beautiful people. I hope you are doing well today. This is just your friendly reminder to give yourself grace if you fall off from the level up. Okay? It happens to the best of us. I think at some point we all fall off. And there's nothing wrong with it. But once you see that you've fallen off, it's time to pick yourself back up. Okay? No feeling sorry for ourselves, no making up excuses. Just reminding ourselves like, okay, life happened, life kicked me down. I'm getting back up and I'm getting back on it. Okay, because this is a constant journey. There will be struggles along the way. There will be wins, losses, highs, lows, and all of it is a part of your journey. All of it is part of the plan. Keep going, keep leveling up, because you don't realize it, but you're actually an inspiration to other people on their journey. You're meant to inspire others so that they can keep going on their journey as well. Okay? Love you. Bye.